You're in the selection process. We know you want to screen for culture fit, and we found one of the best exercises to do this is the core values email exercise. It's not only important to do the exercise, it's important where in the process you're putting it, and you want it early in the process. We recommend after the phone screen where you're just going through the resume and checking for permission to play, that before you even schedule the interview, you send the core values email exercise. Don't send it later, it's too late, and I'll explain that. So what you're going to do is send this asking them, how have you demonstrated each of these core values in your professional life? And we want specific examples. If they match your core values and your culture, they can't wait to tell you what these are because they happen all the time. If they can't really internalize your core values, they're going to speak in generalities and philosophically, I believe, and all that kind of stuff, and you're never going to get to specifics. So you want to ask specific questions up front and look for specific answers.
Ooh, can we ask whether or not they're dog lovers?
Sure, if it's a pet-friendly environment and everybody else has dogs, asking if they're dog lovers makes perfect sense.
Can we ask them how they feel about sharing snacks?
I guess, if that's something that's really expected in your environment. If they cannot give you specific answers or they're way off the mark, there's no reason to bring them in for an interview. If they give you great examples, schedule the interview, and now you have a great icebreaker. Gosh, Tony, I loved your example of how to skate to where the puck is going to be. That's a wonderful way to break the ice, make them feel more comfortable, talk about something that they really enjoyed and commented on themselves. But there are too many times we see our clients wait until the end. Or they have fallen in love with somebody that they know from a previous life, they enjoy having beers with this person at the pub, all this kind of stuff, and then they just go through, yep, we sent them the core values email exercise and check that box, and never look at the quality of that exercise. Once you have fallen in love with the person, either because you know them from a previous life, or they have won you over in interviews, and then you give them the core values email exercise, you have lost your objectivity to really see if they are going to be a culture fit or not. It is amazing some of the stories we will get from our clients about how far off people really can be on these core values email exercises. Use the core values email exercise before you fall in love and see what amazing responses you get.